Good day, everyone. Now let us quickly solve this problem. A body moves along a circular path with uniform angular speed of 0.6 radian per second and at a constant speed of 3.0 meter per second. Calculate the acceleration of the body towards the center of the circle. Now the first thing is bring out the parameters from the question. From here, we are told that angular speed of 0.6 radian per second, and that is our omega. So we have our angular speed, which is equals to 0.6 rad per second. Now, constant speed of 3.0 meter per second, that is our linear speed. So which means v is equals to 3.0 meter per second, right? Now, the question asks us to calculate the acceleration of the body towards the center, and that is what we call centripetal acceleration. And once you hear circular motion, you should know all the formula, everything you have learned about circular motion should be coming. Now, to calculate centripetal acceleration, we use this formula. You should recall that A is equals to V squared over R. Now, this is what we want to calculate. But if you look, we have V here, but we do not have R. Instead, we have omega. But now, you should recall that there's a relationship between linear speed and angular speed, which is given by V is equals to omega R. Can we see? So what we are going to do from here is that we are just going to make this omega the subject of the formula, which is the angular speed. So to make omega the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by R. So meaning that we are going to say divided by R here, divided by R here, so that our omega is going to be equal to V over R. Can we see? So we come back here and say A is equals to V square is V times V. Can we see? Then we can say over R, which is still going to give us this. But look, V over R here is giving us what? Omega. So this V over R, we are going to replace it by saying A equals to, instead of V over R, we write omega times V. Can we see? Then we can go on and substitute omega, which is 0.6 times the V here, which is what? 3.0. So which is going to give us equals to 6 over 10 times 3. So 6 times 3 is 18 divided by 10, which is going to give us 1.8 meter per second square. And that is our answer. Thank you.